Mode 2, the Touch 2 as a time clock. To set the Touch 2 in Mode 2 as a time clock, follow these simple steps. How to set on-off times. To program the on-off times, follow these steps. Use the left-right keys to scroll to Edit and press Tick. Use the left-right keys to select Day Period of the week. Press Tick to confirm selection. 1 will now flash and the current on time will be displayed. The off time can be viewed by pressing the down key. Select a switching time and press the tick key. Use the up-down keys to select the on-time hours and press tick. Use the up-down keys to select the on-time minutes. Press tick to confirm selection. Use the up-down keys to select the off-time hours and press tick. Use the up-down keys to select the off-time minutes. Press tick to confirm. Press the right arrow key. 2 will now flash and the current on time will be displayed. Repeat these steps to set all time periods. For any unused periods, enter 4 dashes. When complete, use the left-right keys to scroll to Done and press Tick to confirm all changes. How to set the timer override. To override the timed output, follow these steps. Use the up-down arrows to set the override duration, for example 2 hours. Press Tick to confirm the override setting and return to main display. Hold the left key and the remaining time will be displayed. To cancel the override setting, hold the down key to reduce the override time to 0. This will cancel the timer override. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video useful.